Wagwan, what's great? Chef here John Morris again, man, presenting to you how to make basil pesto. Yeah, man,
Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
So what is basil pesto? Basil pesto is basically the basil leaf, and we puree that with herbs and spices to make a paste that can be used in so many different ways. The varieties and the possibilities of dishes that can be created from this are endless. We're talking about pasta dishes, talking about salads, we're talking about flatbreads, the list goes on. If you have, however, a basil pesto based dish that you'd like to see me execute here, leave it in the comment section and I'll definitely get that done up for you, right? Shortly after, I'm going to be showing you how to make your bruschetta mix, and this bruschetta, just the same, can be used in so many ways with the basil and by itself and with other ingredients. So stay tuned for that video as well. So without further delay, forward, let me show you what I want. Break them right at the stem right here. So that's it, that's what you want. So just break them off, drop them in my measuring cup. So I'm just gonna rinse these to remove any excess dirt that may be on them, right? I'm gonna use half cup of grated Parmesan cheese. We need 1 head of garlic cloves. So normally you'd use pine nuts to make your basil pesto. However, I am not a big fan of pine nuts, so I prefer cashew and peanuts. So I have half cup of cashew and peanuts mixed in this bowl. And of course, we're gonna need that extra virgin olive oil. You know the thing go. And salt and pepper to taste. I'm gonna start off by using half cup of our olive oil. Gonna go in with garlic, or washed fresh basil, and we're using 4 cups of basil here. If you have a food processor, this is even better, right? I'm gonna start off with 2 cups first and then add the rest as I go. I'm gonna go with my peanut and cashew. I'm gonna use half the amount. Cover that. So I'm gonna pulse this to get everything chopped up, right? Alright, we're gonna stop that. And add the remainder of our basil at this time, because we didn't want to overcrowd this blender. If you have a food processor, you can put everything all at once, right? But I have a small hand blender, so that's why I have to do it in portions of 2. Nuts, I'll lock that down. And we're going to season to taste with salt and pepper. So I'm using here half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper. Blend that up for another minute, just to incorporate that salt and the pepper, right? As you can see with my ice tray, it has silicone at the bottom. So if you don't have an ice tray like I do, with the silicone, get your plastic wrap and you put it onto your regular ice tray. You just push down like that with the fingers. Then we're gonna fetch our pesto. Alright, and this is how we're gonna store these. You can freeze this for up to a month. So let's say you want some pesto, so just take this from your freezer about 2 hours before you're starting to prepare your food and allow it to thaw out, after which then you can add your Parmesan cheese to flavor it accordingly, right? For me now with my silicone, I just put them directly in there, and when it's frozen, what I do, I just push this up right here and it will just pop mine right out. But if you don't have an ice tray like this with the silicone at the bottom, all you do when it's frozen, just hold the paper and lift, right? And you get 1 cube of your pesto ready to use in whatever recipes you're gonna be making. So we want to use our pesto freshly. Get your Parmesan cheese, add it in. No, we did not put the cheese in, because if you want to store this for a long period of time without it going bad, you do not put the cheese in until afterwards, right? I'm gonna go in now with some more olive oil, as a Parmesan cheese is gonna just absorb all the liquid from your pesto. I'm gonna blend this out. Without your cheese, you're left with a very smooth paste, but with the cheese, it's very gritty. You know what I say? So check the difference out with both. So you see that cheese, no cheese, and this is what your pesto should originally look like. Oily and gritty. After you get them frozen, you just cover that with plastic wrap. Keep them in your freezer for up to a month or more. When you're ready, pop 1 or 2 out, thaw them out 2 hours prior to cooking. Add your Parmesan cheese, season to taste with a bit more salt and pepper, and you're golden. And there you have it, fresh basil pesto made easy here on Morris Time Cooking It. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and do remember to hit that subscribe button, man, for more amazing videos like these. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel, and go and big up on yourself.
Yeah, me see another dinner for later. But know you fast, girl, you never tell me. Cause I know any man can feed you, so that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.